moment you love what you do, job becomes easy. Please start romancing with your job. Your job will become easy.
Hello everyone, this is your host Ritu and welcome back to Bubble Chat Season 2. So today we have with us a global leader, a global Indian, Mr. DK Bakshi. And he is called as Mr. Motivator, Mr. Communicator, Mr. Energy, founder of Global Talent Company, Thailand, with operations in India and North America. He delivers world-class programs at global level.
Thank you very much. Today is a very powerful day. You know what is that powerful day? Kranti Divas. 10th May 1857. Kranti was started. And whatever we are today, living in this powerful India, we must remember those who started.
I see your names, Mr. Motivator, Mr. Energy, Mr. Communicator. So how's this and who gave this to you and how does it relate to you?
Mr. Communicator was given by the Delhi University long back when I used to work in India. मेरे पास आ गया Bangkok Post से वहाँ का editor कहता I want to interview. Somebody from here had written that DK Bakshi is gone to Bangkok. And the journey started in Bangkok. And the first article when he talked about and discussed with me, did interview, he said Mr. Motivator. And energy has been, I am living my energy. The moment you love what you do, job becomes easy. Please start romancing with your job. Your job will become easy.
Which part of journey you cherish the most? Being a professional, HR professional, being an entrepreneur, supporting and guiding multiple organizations. So which part of the journey you cherish?
So that journey as a professional was good. I learned a lot. I contributed to various countries. But then when I became an entrepreneur, global talent company, I make people to grow as global talent. So both journeys are beautiful for me.
How is India seen, especially professionally in the global world? And do you see India has changed since last 20 years? You have been away from the country.
So India is ready to be new India. There's no doubt about it. In case we take control of our discipline. The driver who's with me, and I was sharing with Varun, not a single honk, not a single red light he crosses. He's an Indian. He's from Noida. Well, that's a habit. It's a culture. We are talking about cultural transformation. Indians certainly lack self-discipline. We are not still accountable, responsible for what we do. We are the best breed in the world. There's no doubt about it. Indians are the best talent in the world. There's no doubt about it. But I tell both my sons, when you want to come to India to work, you will fail. Because in India, we have a problem of not looking the way others look. The process orientation, the accountabilities, the responsibilities, the ownership. 22-year-old, 35-year-old, and 55-year-old are working together, 3 generations.
True.
All the 500, you just see the multinational companies who are the CEOs, Indians. अगर 2047 में इंडिया को सोने की चिड़िया बनना है, बहुत चेंज होना है. Change is the only way.
How do you see that L&D is critical to any organization for organizational development and why and how?
Train. Retain. Retain. हर एक इंसान को ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत है, इंडक्शन की जरूरत है, समझाने की जरूरत है. जब तक वो प्रॉपर कम्युनिकेशन नहीं आएगा, जब तक लर्निंग पार्ट नहीं आएगा, तब तक आगे आदमी स्टेप नहीं ले सकता. चेंज द डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ सीईओ टू सीएलओ. जो आपका सीईओ है, उसकी डेजिग्नेशन चेंज करो. उसको बनाओ चीफ लर्निंग ऑफिसर, CLO. Because the moment CEO starts learning, entire organization, अगर CEO लर्न नहीं करना चाहता है, चाहे वो इंडियन एंटरप्रेन्योर है, चाहे वो प्रोफेशनल है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लर्न नहीं कर सकती. Therefore, learning and development is for everyone, each one of us. So learning and development is the key catalyst for any organizational growth. ये हिंदुस्तान, अमेरिका एंड एशिया पैसिफिक में L&D मुफ्त में देते हैं हम एम्प्लॉइज को. यूरोप में अगर आप कोई ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम DK बख्शी का अटेंड करने जाएंगे कंपनी से, 50% आपकी तनख्वाह से कटेगा.
You are closely associated with first IPS officer, Dr. Kiran Bedi ji of the country. So what kind of a change management you both talk about, and how does it get into order and improvement at the corporate sector?
She says, change is law, growth is optional, choose it wisely. And I keep saying, change the way you think, change the way you behave, change the way you work, change the way you move, change the way you talk, change the way you shape, change the way you learn, change the way you earn. Change. Challenge is way of life. What I am trying to say is, we have changed a lot. We are changing every day. That is what organizations need. Organizations need change management. Organizations need culture of change. अगर आज आप 1500-1700 करोड़ है, अगले 1.5 साल में आप 3000 करोड़ इसी लोगों से कैसे बना सकते हैं, वो चेंज मैनेजमेंट है. Thoughts become things with action. Thoughts can never become things without action. In fact, when we talk about India and abroad, I don't see any major changes because the people remain the same. मेरा हीरो वो एंटरप्रेन्योर है जो लोगों को रोजगार देता है, जो लोगों को पैसा देता है, काम कराता है. Entrepreneurship is blessing of life. You have to worship those who are giving you opportunity to work on and earn money.
So how would you do these both change and cultural transformation in the companies where there is no base? And is it possible to change the culture of the organization?
Cultural transformation needs, it's a cancer. इस कैंसर को, ब्लड ल्यूकेमिया को आपको ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन करना पड़ेगा. आपको हो सकता है रिएकर हो जाए. It's possible to reoccur, but ensure that you clean up everything and then put the blood transfusions. Blood, sweat, tears with hunger. In case आपके अंदर जज्बा, जोश और जुनून और ब्लड, स्वेट एंड टीयर्स है with hunger, आप कल्चरल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कर सकते हैं.
How leaders are created? Is leadership born? Is leaders like is born or is it built up?
जब एनडीए में जाते हैं बच्चे, all theories can be converted into practicals. Remember it. अरे आ गया जी मिस्टर मोटिवेटर, थियोरी बोल दी उसने, कोई प्रैक्टिकल थोड़ी चीज है. सारी जब तक तुम प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो कैसे प्रैक्टिकल होगा. थियोरी बोल गया. All theory can be turned into practical. So when your question is the leadership can be built, yes. कुछ लोग तो born leader होते हैं. So leaders can be created. And second, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूं, आपके दफ्तर में, आपकी फैक्ट्रियों में सप्लाई चेन की इतनी प्रॉब्लम रहती है, रोज झगड़ा होता है. आपके घर में आटा, दाल, चावल सब कुछ, वो माँ जो है ना, वहां तो कभी शिकायत ही नहीं रहती है सप्लाई चेन की. शी इज द बेस्ट लीडर एट होम, योर मॉम. लीडरशिप शुड बी फ्रॉम हार्ट. हेड इज टू बी responsible because we need to make money in leadership. We cannot be a non-profitable organization, but it has to come from heart.
And do you coach entrepreneurs, and how does it work?
Yeah, basically we coach top leadership, and second we do diagnostic. Collection of people is business. Collection of processes is business. Collection of products is business. I talk about it. People, processes, products. People, processes, products make profitable and pride. इसको मैं बोलता हूँ power of people, power of processes, power of passion, power of pagalpan, power of partnerships working together, power of profitability and power of pride. मैं पूरी कंपनी को पहले समझता हूं, हम समझते हैं, उसके बाद डायग्नोस्टिक करने के बाद देन वी डिजाइन एंड डेवलप अ रोड मैप, और फिर रोड मैप पे फिर एक्शन लेते हैं कि हमारा ये एक्शन, ये स्टेप, ये, और उस एक्शन पे आपको स्टेप्स फॉरवर्ड चलना है, पीछे नहीं देखना. लुक स्ट्रेट, गो स्ट्रेट, मूव स्ट्रेट with go, grace, gratitude, goodwill, goodness, and goodwill. We have a very big challenge in India. So when we look at Silicon Valley, when we look at IT professionals around the world, they are number one in the world. And then when we look at professionals who have been in the pharma industry, from COVID has given us a big kick in the world. There's no doubt about it. Scientists. When we look at ISRO, we have again been very powerful. But when we look at our industry, I always say, when can India become the manufacturing hub of the world? China is still ahead of us and will remain still ahead of us for the next 5-10 years. Maybe after 10 years we can beat China in case we persistently work on a game plan. Game plan is your mission. Then you can get unimaginable results. Unfortunately, when we approach these companies, they did not have the right people at the right job. So what I am trying to say is that there are many examples. अगर आपको इसको next level of excellence करना है, आपके future generations के लिए इसको आगे बढ़ाना है, then you have to take a decision. I will firmly go and sign a roadmap. And roadmap आप sign नहीं करेंगे. Every individual of the company will sign. मेरे बच्चे को सबसे अच्छा स्कूल चाहिए, मेरे बच्चे को सबसे अच्छा बिजनेस, मेरे बच्चे को सबसे अच्छा, उसको एक्स्ट्रा करना पड़ेगा ना. So you have to do extra. ऐसे थोड़ी होगा, तो आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी ना उसके लिए. Knowledge becomes potential power when you start using it. And knowledge becomes kinetic power when you start sharing it. जो छक्का आपने मारना है, आप एनालाइज कर रहे हो कौन सी बॉल आ रही है, या आप विकेट कीपर है, कैच नहीं छूटना चाहिए. जब आप when you are on the ground, when you are performing, at that time, when you are in a game of soccer, you have a soccer ball, it's a second का गेम है. अगर गलत गई, टक टक इधर गई, it's gone. It will go into your goal post. But in case you are sharp and you are able to give your ball to your guy, it can go to the other side. You don't need educated people to run great organizations. You need sharp, talented. Of course, you need to train them as per your culture. Then you can revolutionize your products, your processes. You can make more money and you can give more money to your people. Keep talented people. Give more money to talented people. That's why I say variable and fixed.
We are open for the Q&A session with the public. So please, audience, ask the questions.
I think in last 1.5 hours there are no questions left. आपने धो दिया बिल्कुल. So I think this is the fact. But at a broader level, I won't say a question, but more of a clarification. Normally, whatever things we are talking, I mean, we are talking pure common sense. So, which we all know. The only issue what I see, like you said, it is to start from the top. What we feel and what the difference is, like you, I think, rightly gave the example, is Lala versus professional. ये जो biggest hurdle आता है, ये जो सारी professional generation, I think you gave example of this IIT-IIM also. ये जो सारा प्रोफेशनल कल्चर आ गया, इसमें क्या कहते हैं, एवरीबडी वांट सॉफ्ट पेडलिंग. ये मत कहो, ऐसा नहीं करो, ऐसा नहीं करो, ये क्या सोचेगा, वो क्या सोचेगा. आई थिंक उससे क्या है कि सारी क्रीम है जो निकल गई. सो खाली फोक रह गया, खाली वो पढ़ी लिखी 4 बातें रह गए. सो एट एवरी मोमेंट, एवरी आई वुड से ईमेल, एवरी प्रेजेंटेशन, दिस सो मच एक्स्ट्रा ग्रामर. वो प्रोफेशनलिज्म की वजह से आ गई है. काम की बात होती नहीं. सो काम की बात बंदों से करो तो लाइक यू सेड, फिर बोलते जी लाला जी तो ये बोलते हैं, इनको तो ये चाहिए, इनको तो प्रॉफिट के अलावा बात समझ नहीं आती. प्रॉफिट देता कोई नहीं है, बट उनको फिर बात खाली वो खादी कहते ना, वो अच्छी इंग्लिश चाहिए, अच्छा प्रोफेशनलिज्म कल्चर हो, सब कुछ अच्छा है. आई थिंक सेकंड थिंग यू क्लैरिफाइड, आई थिंक द पॉइंट वाज एक्स्ट्रा. हर बंदे को सब कुछ बेस्ट चाहिए जिंदगी में. वही लाइक यू सेड कॉन्वेंट एजुकेशन भी चाहिए, किसी का बस चले तो बिजनेस क्लास की टिकट भी मिल जाए, सब कुछ बेस्ट ऑफ बेस्ट चाहिए. बट व्हाट आर वी डूइंग फॉर दैट? What extra have we done for that? I think that's a broader thing that we have to go beyond these so-called professional culture. आप जो बात कर रहे हो दिल की बात कर रहे हो, पैशन की बात कर रहे हो, तो दिल और पैशन से काम करो तो कल्चर वही कल्चर है, दैट इज द कल्चर. बट कल्चर को लोग कंफ्यूज करते हैं कि कल्चर मीन्स कि मल्टीनेशनल वाला कल्चर होना चाहिए, लाउजी कल्चर. मल्टीनेशनल्स आर नॉट लाउजी, दे मेक 80% ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट, दे रन ऑन 50% EBITDA. हमारा एसएमई वाला मिड कैप वाला 5% EBITDA पे काम करता है.
बिल्कुल.
तो मल्टीनेशनल कैन अफोर्ड टू बी लाउजी बिकॉज दे वर्क ऑन हाई मार्जिन्स. सो वी डोंट हैव हाई मार्जिन्स, वी हैव टू वर्क हार्ड. आई थिंक दैट्स द ब्रॉड थिंग द वे आई हैव अंडरस्टूड.
No, I would like to add. Yeah, I would like to add here. Suri Saab very rightly said. It is very important to create a culture of performance. जिस दिन आपने परफॉर्मेंस कल्चर शुरू किया, पहले 2 साल पेन होगा, एक याद रखना है. एवरी पेन इज फॉलोड बाय गेन. मोर पेन मोर गेन. पहले 2 साल आपको बड़ी परेशानी रही. आपको इवन एम्प्लॉय विल स्टार्ट रिस्पेक्टिंग यू बिकॉज मुझे क्या पता आज आप गधा घोड़ा बराबर कर रहे हैं. इट्स पॉसिबल. और जिस दिन आपने गधे और घोड़े को डिफरेंस कर दिया, आपकी इंटरनल ही नहीं एक्सटर्नल में, हम जैसे लोग तो फिर एक्सटर्नल में डालते हैं ना बेंचमार्क. अभी मैंने एक बेंचमार्क कर दिया, अभी यही बाफना जी का मास्टर क्लास मैंने कर दिया, बहुत बड़ा बेंचमार्क कर दिया मैंने. We will benchmark you in the world. That's what the power is. My key message is India is growing and glowing in the world. India is going to be the superpower of the world. Please work on building your own company to contribute to the India's growth in the global world by being A, agile, B, business ability, C, capability and capability. Next one, deliverability. जो आप डिलीवर करोगे ना कस्टमर को, वो बेस्ट करोगे. And E, energy. And F, faith. That is what my message is.
Bubble Chat has become global, so a lot of people are watching from Thailand, from North America, from Singapore, from Philippines, and from India. So we are global Bubble Chat now. Big round of applause for Morpen.